Hello children, welcome back to English class. It's me Jerry, your English teacher. Hope you are staying safe at your home. As you all know, we have completed first two chapters, right? Today we are going to learn the next chapter. The title of the lesson is The World Around Us. Look at these pictures. Can you have a guess? These are the pictures of different landforms. Today we are going to learn different landforms. Before learning about them, wanna visit them along with me? Come, let's go to visit them. A desert is a large region that gets a very little rain in a year. Deserts are so dry that sometimes rain evaporates before it can hit the ground. Camels have been used for transport purposes across deserts. They are also known as sheep of the desert. Very few animals and plants live in desert areas. Those animals and plants have adapted to survive in the desert despite its extreme temperatures and lack of water. Next, oasis. An oasis is any area in the desert that has a supply of fresh water and where plants can grow. An oasis can be permanent or temporary. The most important plant in the oasis is the date palm. Barley, millet and wheat also grow where there is more moisture. Mountain. A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surrounding. The dictionary defines a mountain is higher and steeper than a hill. Mountains are usually formed when rock layers are pushed together from opposite sides. Generally, mountains are higher than 600 meters. Valleys. Valleys are the low areas that are created between hills or mountains. There are different types of valleys. Valleys are often considered peaceful places because they are shielded by the hills or mountains from bad weather. Most of the valleys are formed by rivers. Volcano. Volcano is a vent in the Earth's crust where molten rock, gas and steam wrapped onto the planet's surface. There are several types of volcanoes. They are basically classified by shape or size. No matter the size or shape, all volcanoes emit gas and molten rock. Nothing can survive around the glacier. A glacier is a large area of thick ice that remains frozen from one year to the next. Thousands of years ago, almost 30% of Earth's surface covered with glaciers. But at present, glaciers occupy only 10% of the Earth's surface. Island. Island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Islands can be found in all water bodies. The two main types of islands are oceanic islands and continental islands. The biggest island in the world is Greenland. Many islands are quite small. They cover less than 1 acre. These tiny islands are often called islets. Plain. Plains are large areas of flat land with no hills or mountains in them. Flat land might not seem very exciting. Plains are very common. They are found on every continent and cover more than 1/3 of the land. There are many kinds of plains and each is a bit different. Plains are more suitable for farming. River. Rivers are natural features themselves. Rivers form in mountains or hills. Due to gravity force, it flows down to the lower ground. smaller streams meet and join together and form larger rivers. These large rivers join too and become larger and larger until they finally reach the ocean. The water in the river is a fresh water. It's not salty like sea water. Lake. A lake is a very large body of water that is surrounded by land. Lakes contain less than 1% of the world's fresh water, but they are a very important freshwater source. Lakes contain more than 98% of the fresh water that is available for usage. Children, have you all enjoyed the landform strips? Now it's time to identify the landforms correctly. I'm going to show you the pictures of different landforms. You have to find them correctly. Are you ready? Let's go. Children, find which place it is. Very good. Oasis. Now find this. Which place it is? Very good. Glacier. Now find which place it is. Very good. Valley. Now find this one. Very good. River. Now which place it is? Yes, very good. Mountain. Now find this which place it is. Yes, very good. Island. Now find this. This is a desert. Now find what it is. Very good. This is a lake. Find the next one. Well then, this is a plain. Now it's time to learn the names of the landforms. Are you ready? Come. Desert, desert, oasis, oasis, mountain, mountain, valley, valley, volcano, volcano, glacier, glacier, island, island, plain, plain, river, lake. Children, hope you are thorough with landforms. Learn and write the names of landforms, get corrected, take a snapshot and send to Magdalene Shailajaman. She'll be correcting your homeworks. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home, be safe. Bye.